Good morning, student. Today I will take leftover unit of part A. Here you can see I have opened the class 9's computer syllabus. Right? Unit 1 we have finished. Unit 2 also finished. Now unit 3 last time I have covered. Today I am going to deal with ICT skills little bit and green skills. This unit 4 I will not take right now. So now let me repeat once again. I will take unit 3, the rest of the part, and unit 5 green skills part. Okay, now I will take you over to these particular units. Now here first topic is you have to use a particular software for increasing your typing skill. The name of that software is called Tux Typing Tutor. Right? What is the use of this software? To teach typing to the children and even adults. Regular practice will help you to increase typing speed and reduce the mistake while typing. How you have to type, this is the way you have to keep your hand on the keyboard. Here everyone have used this key A, S, D, F. Your these four fingers will be on these keys and three fingers on J, K, L. This is the way you have to keep your hands, then automatically your speed will increase. This is the way it's here. Everything A, S, D, F, this is what we said, and J, K, L, this is the particular one you have to use. Now next topic, what are the procedure for starting and shutting down the computer? This is not a old this is a very new thing, not a new thing for you, it's a old thing. You know how to start the computer and how to shut down the computer. Right, now next topic is what is operating system. Operating system is called the manager of the computer. It is used to control all the devices of the computer. It keep track on the status of the devices. It controls all the software resources of the computers. Now we'll see different types of operating system. There are certain operating system which we use on our laptop and desktop, and there are certain operating system which we use on our mobile phones. We'll see one by one. So DOS is the operating system which was the first one which we have installed in our personal computer. Then Windows, then Linux. Windows all you are using right now also. Now mobile operating system, Android we all are using every day. Symbians and the Windows Phone. iOS, you know, this is the operating system we are using on Apple's phone. Today we will take Windows 7 operating system in a more details. If you are using every day also, still will take certain topics which you might have ignored. First we'll see what are the component of Windows 7 desktop. So this is a desktop of Windows 7. What is the meaning of a desktop? The first screen of the computer is called the desktop, which is here in front of you. And this picture is called icon. It also presents some commands also. These icon means you are activating certain commands. And this bottom line is called my taskbar. And here this picture which is visible on this text is called wallpaper. Right, and this is called my start button, and these are the name of the icons, you know it and you're using every day. Now files and folders. What is the difference between files and folder? Folder is a place where we used to keep our files, and whatever the data we store, it is go and saved in the form of a files only. Right, now next, now what are the different type of action you use at the time when you are using some keyboard operation and some mouse operation? We'll see one by one. What are the keyboard operation you are using? We are pressing the backspace key. You know what is the use of backspace keys for deleting? That erase the character to the left of the eraser, and delete key character for erasing at the right hand. See, caps lock for writing in the caps form. Alt key is used for it work in the conjunction with the some other keys also, as we know that control alt delete key work together, and so that we can switch off the computer also. Shift key for increase, either we can make any letter caps lock or in the small lock if we are not using any caps lock key. Now control key, this key is used in the combination with the other key performing particular operation. For example, control plus C is a keyboard shortcut. Escape key to cancel any operation. Function key, we have so many function keys on our keyboard. Every function key have a different function, but you know F1 is designed only for taking the helps. Tab key is used for movement of cursor but at a distance place. Now, what are the mouse action? Click, double click, right click, drag and drop. Understood? These are the simple thing is there in your class 9. So, no need to panic. You have to simply work on these simple things. Now, I will come to the next unit, that is called green skill. Green skill is also a topic which you have covered in your SST and as well as in the science. There we have seen that regarding the plants and preservation of the plants and greenery. This is what we are going to study in the green skills, right? So what is a green economy? Green economy is given with the Collins. So just to increase the ecological balance, to maintain the ecological balance. What are the component of the green economy? Renewable energy, you know it, what is the meaning of renewable energy? Green buildings, green transport. If you have seen in China, you know how and what type of the building they are generating. They are building green building. Now what is the meaning of green building? Means if they have any windows on the window, they will put the plant, so at the distance it look like that the building is surrounded with the big trees. Green transport, water management, waste management, these all are the topic you have covered in science and SST, so I don't want to go in more details. Policy initiative for the greening economy in India. So Wildlife Protection Act 1972 and the Water Prevention and Control of the Pollution Act. These are the simple things. It is designed, it's written, everything I have given as a notes so that you can check it out. But don't go in details. Only you have to learn, you have to just see the names of one or two acts, not all acts. Is it clear to everyone? So by this I just wind up my session. If you have any query in the holiday homework, I will just tell you once again. In the holiday homework, you have to write the notes on the PowerPoint presentation. Let me take you over there. Let me first show you what is the holiday homework is for you. Right? Let me open my holiday homework in front of you. Here I am trying to open the holiday homework which I have designed for you. This is showing for the class 9. Is it visible to you? I am coming to the class for 9th. This is here your holiday homework. Just read it carefully. What I said, create a PowerPoint presentation of any one of the following topic. Means according to the timetable, according to your roll number, you have to design this timetable you have to follow. So basic information computation communication technology skills means all the input output devices you have to take it into the consideration. Green skill, just now I have given you. I will give the notes also. Now MS Word, MS Excel, whatever you have covered in class 8 till this point, that you have to make the notes in the PowerPoint presentation. So what is the PowerPoint presentation? You have to take the PowerPoint from here and make the notes in this particular software. Is it clear to everyone now? Any doubt? Okay, fine. I just wind up here. Have a nice day. Bye.